What happens when object gets instantiated means loaded. For example, this is class, which is blueprint, then object student, which has attributes and behavior. Attributes include roll number, name, age, address, and behaviors include get name, get address. Now student s1 is equal to new student, so this is object. Now stack reference s1, default constructor, heap, object instance, roll number, name, age, address. Now we have parameterized constructor. So this is class blueprint. Now student s1 equal to new student 1 Ravi 20 Pune. So stack reference s1. Inside heap we have object instance, then roll number, name, age and address. So these are attributes of object Ravi, and which comes under parameterized constructor. Automatic garbage collection. It is process of looking at heap memory, identifying which objects are in use and which are not, and deleting the unused object. That means garbage collection means it is process of identifying objects which are in use, which are not in use, and deleting unused object. So automatic means it does automatically. An in-use object or unreferenced object means that some part of your program still maintains a reference to that object. An object or reference object means, that means some part of your program means there is a part of your program, that means for example data etc., which it still maintains a reference to that object. An unused object or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of your program. That means unused object is not at all referred. So memory used by an unreferred object can be reclaimed. So here we are writing a program. Name of our class is demo. So this is name of our class. Now here we are defining few data types: byte A, short B, integer C, long D, float E, double F, char G, boolean H, string I. Now this is main function. Demo ref is equal to new demo. That means this is name of our object. Demo ref is equal to new demo. Now inside, so this object is now created. Now system out println, that is print command. Default value of byte is ref dot, so that is we are calling with object with respect to A, ref dot A, that is this is A. Now ref dot B. So similarly we are calling values, default values for everything. That means byte, short, int, long, float, double, char etc. So after running this program, this is our output. Default value of byte is 0, default value of short is 0, default int is 0. Now long is 0, float is 0.0, double is 0. Char is not given because char is a word, it is not in integer. Now boolean is true or false, so default value is false. So this is important because boolean default value of boolean, which comes under 1 and 0, is false. Now default value of string is null. String means it is like word, so default value is null. So this is our program of finding default values of these data types.